Hello there again, and I hope all of you are doing well. And thank you again for checking in, for tuning in, and checking this video. Of course, it's another day, it's another video, and I am excited today to share with you my journey and my experience with applying for a personal loan with Navy Federal. And this is what this video is all about. I was approved for a personal loan when I applied for that loan last night. And this was instead of going forward with a credit limit increase, which you must already know if you've been following me, that my credit limit increase for my $25,000 cash rewards was $100. But that was really a blessing in disguise. So before I go ahead with this video, of course, I just wanted to greet all of you, especially the new subscribers. We have 581 subscribers as of this video. And my goodness, that's a lot in such a short time. And I thank you for your time, and I thank you for checking out this channel. I mean, we're very new here, but it seems like we have a lot of really good people in here and who realize the value of the content, and you guys inspired me so much for that. Anyway, a big shout out to all of you. And if it is your first time checking out this channel, I hope that you would find value in the content and you would be subscribing as well. Anyway, let's get on with it. As some of you may already know, Navy Federal has a lot of amazing programs to help its members. And the personal loan is just one of the products that I was looking at based on my situation. And it just says here on their website that a loan from Navy Federal can be a great way to consolidate debt, finance home improvements, or cover unexpected expenses. Application is very fast and easy. And one thing I like is that you won't have to pay any origination or prepayment fees. And in most cases, you'll receive same-day funding. Now, I received my funding within 2 hours of responding to them and giving them the information that they needed. And the funds was in my bank account right after, not even 2 hours, it was there. So just a quick look at what they offer. It says the personal expense loan is a simplified financing for unplanned and planned expenses such as auto repairs, vacations, and other major purchases. The amount is anywhere from $250 to $50,000 loan amounts. In the terms up to 36 months, the APR would be anywhere from 7.49 to 18%. Now, 37 to 60 months is 14.79 to 18%. And of course, the longer the term of the loan is, they will charge you with a lot more interest. But because there is no prepayment penalty, it is really up to you when you want to pay that off. And that's the option I liked. Now, just to review the application checklist, here are a few things they'll need to know before you apply for a personal loan. It says how much do you want to borrow for your loan, how long you'd like to finance your loan, your current employment and income, including your employer's name and contact information. And you do have to fill up that information on the application. And then your contact information, including your phone number and email. If you'd like your loan documents sent to an address other than your address of record to a Navy Federal branch, call their 1-800 number. And you can apply for a personal loan with a co-applicant. In my case, it is just me. And why should you choose Navy Federal? They have low rates. It is competitively low, and the payments are affordable. They have digital account management, the simple online application, and digital banking options make it easy to manage your personal loan. And the member benefits. Navy Federal members receive exclusive benefits and support. And I was thinking, I was approved for upgrade. Actually, I just applied for that and got approved, but I did not take the terms and all. And I was thinking if I would make a relationship and establish a relationship, at this time, I would rather do it with Navy Federal. And that's what made me go ahead with that decision. And just to give you an idea about the process, how the personal loans work, you apply, it's easy to apply online. It only takes a few minutes. And this was so true. It was very quick, fast, and easy. Sign your loan. Then after approval, you can electronically sign your loan to save time and paper. And right after that, you receive your money. Your funds will be automatically deposited into your account in as little as 24 hours. But I tell you, not even 24 hours, not even 2 hours. They were very fast. So I will share with you the details of my application, and I will give you the full data points on a next video, as I won't have the time to include all that here. But you know me, I will be sharing all that information with you and why I went on ahead with this loan and things that I will, do with the proceeds and stuff like that. I will be sharing that with you. So anyway, don't go away. Just a little reminder from Motionz Biz, okay? So I went on ahead and applied online for the personal loan on the 13th. That was last night. So I did that online. I completed the information. And then once I did all that, they pulled TransUnion in 30 minutes. I received a notification that I had a hard pull from TransUnion. And just to give you an idea about how the application process went, once you fill up all your information, they will ask you how would you like to receive your loan proceeds. So I want it to be an automatic deposit to my Navy Federal account, and they let you choose which account you want it to be deposited to. So this is one of my checking accounts, and I had $517.47 in that account. So it informed me here that my first full monthly payment was due on or before March 8, 2022, and that I have 53 days to make my first payment. That's a very good leeway right there. So again, it's asking me how would I like to repay the loan. So I wanted that to be an automatic transfer, and it would be from the same account. And I wanted that to be monthly. So there I was with my application, and you see that little thing that goes around and around while you're waiting for your results. I had the presence of mind to actually take a snapshot of that. It was just so cool. And when that came along, and once that was completed, it did say that my application was under review. So, and it also said that, usually the process takes about 2 to 4 hours. So I said, okay, I'll go ahead and, just go ahead and sleep. Now, when I woke up early this morning before going to work, I saw an email saying that my application is pending. Prior to further consideration, the consumer lending team will require that you provide the following. They really just wanted to verify, because I do have a fraud alert on all my credit, on all the credit bureaus because of an incident. So I'm trying to just protect that. And I forgot all about that, because I know that if this had been another bank, they would have outright denied my application. But because it's Navy Federal, they really take time to confirm, and that is just one thing that's amazing with them. Because with a fraud alert, sometimes, most banks won't really bother, because they would consider that a freeze. But with Navy Federal, they got in touch with me to make sure that I confirm the information, and that it was really me who is applying for the loan. And then so I think I called this number around 8:30 or 8:45 when I got to work. So I called that number, and the rep on the phone sent like a code to my phone number, wanted to confirm, my social, my address, and some very important details about my accounts with Navy Fed and stuff like that. And then they were able to verify that indeed that was me. So that was concluded around 8:45, and then by 9:02 a.m., as you can see here in the email, it says, "Great news, your loan is approved. And to view your APR, see your monthly payment and electronically sign your loan ending in 1722." And it says, "Please follow the steps before your loan offer expires on 1/30/22." So it gave me applications. And so, of course, I went on ahead and did that. But I was not really able to get on it immediately because I was seeing patients at the clinic. So I was not able to sign those documents until around, I would say, around noontime. And as you can see here on the summary of my account as of today, that 15,000 was deposited to my account. Now there is actually a backstory to my story. I actually applied for the maximum for this loan, and what happened was I did get approved. And my thing was, I really did not need that amount at this time, because what I wanted to do was basically just to add a mix to my credit profile and also just garden with Navy Fed. Because what I was planning was I will be paying this off in a short time, so the next time that I would apply with them, I already have a record with them. And not to mention that I'm also building gardening points with them. And another thing also in this channel is that I really don't want to give that impression that it is so easy to just get a loan here and there, right and left, because that is still credit and that is still a loan that you have to repay. And especially if maybe like the young ones would come across this channel and would view this video, and then they would think that, okay, I can just borrow any amount I want, and it is so easy and I can do this. Because remember, it takes a lot of discipline to be able to manage these things. And when you are blessed with these things on your credit journey, you have to have a contingency plan on how to repay that, or how you will use the funds to even better your financial situation, and not buying stuff like just whatever you think you will buy. But later on, as we go along, I will be sharing with you, because this is also my experiment with the proceeds of these funds, and how I will manage it and empower and optimize things on the personal and the business side as well. And I will be sharing that with you guys, in this journey, and how I will proceed with that. So for this particular loan, my payment would be $385 a month for 60 months. Now the APR is 18%. Now, the thing is, I picked the longer term because I don't want a high monthly payment, because I don't want to mess up my DTI, my debt to income ratio. I still want to keep that to, do well with that data, which, you very well know is very important with being assessed for other financial loans and financing for other stuff in the future, because I might need some equipment financing for the clinic when I expand and things like that. So I want to keep that low. I want to keep the utilization low. And so it's only practical that I go for a reasonable amount, which would be easy to manage, and something that I can just, easily pay off at the same time, rather than going for that big one to be greedy, and then I don't want to jeopardize, my credit profile. So anyway, that was really the reason why I opted for a reasonable amount, so I would still be, below 10% as far as debt to income ratio. And so again, I very much appreciate your presence here, guys. And thank you for being here. And to my subscribers who are here today, thank you so much for your time and patience in sharing, commenting, and following me here, and even turning on your notification bells. And I just learned about the notification bell, that if subscribers click on that, they would get notified when there is a new video. So anyway, thank you so much again. I appreciate you all, and until my next video, need it in the future.